This is realization account. The first line of the question is Ramesh and Umesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals. On 31st March 2013, their balance sheet was as follows. We are given the balance sheet. The last line is prepare realization account. Fine. Draw the format of a realization account and transfer the assets first, excluding bank, the first one, and last one Umesh's current account. Debtors, stock, furniture and machinery are to be transferred. That is debtors rupees 2,40,000, stock rupees 1,30,000, furniture rupees 2 lakh and machinery rupees 9,30,000. And liabilities by creditors rupees 1,70,000. Workmen's compensation reserve will not come. General reserve will come. Ramesh current account nothing will come. Then first adjustment A part. Ramesh took over 50% of stock at rupees 10,000 less than book value. By Ramesh's capital account stock taken. Stock is worth rupees 1,30,000 and 50% of this is 65,000. And he took it at a discount of 10,000. That is 65,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 55,000. Then 55,000. Then debtors were realized at a discount of 5%. That is by Umesh's capital account furniture taken. I have not taken this point now. B part. Furniture was taken over by Umesh at 50,000 and machinery sold for 4,50,000. By Umesh's capital account furniture taken 50,000. Whatever is being taken, that will be taken in the credit side or realized in the credit side. What is to be paid is to be paid in the debit side. Then realization by to bank account liabilities and expenses paid. You see here bank account is there. We have to pay through bank. C part. Creditors were paid in full. That is creditors rupees 1,70,000. And next one being unrecorded repairs rupees 1,40,000. It is like this D part. There was an unrecorded bill for repairs for rupees 1,60,000 which was settled for 1,40,000. We paid how much? Unrecorded repairs. We paid rupees 1,40,000. That is to be entered. Rupees 3,10,000 will be in total. Then credit side by bank account asset realized. For realization of assets, we will have to write down stock 50,000. It is written in the A part. Ramesh took over 50% of the stock at rupees 10,000 less than book value. The remaining stock was sold at a loss of rupees 15,000. Hence, rupees 1,30,000 is the total value of stock and 50,000 less, 65,000 less 15,000. That is stock rupees 50,000. And debtors were realized at a discount of 5%. Debtors is rupees 2,40,000 less 5%, that is 12,000. 5% of rupees 2,40,000, that is rupees 2,28,000. And machinery is 4,50,000 is written in B part. And machinery sold for 4,50,000. The total amounted to 7,28,000. Now total the debit side. Because we have a loss, we guess debit side is higher. This is definitely higher. Now the totaling is rupees 18,10,000. Take it to the credit side and find out the gap by capital accounts. Loss and dissolution in ratio of Ramesh is to Umesh 7:3. That is 18,10,000 minus everything, that is 8,07,000 rupees. For Ramesh, it will be rupees 8,07,000 multiplied by 7 by 10, that is rupees 5,64,900. For Umesh, that is rupees 8,07,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, that is rupees 2,42,100. And this is the final answer.